Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will unveil 5 incredible and effortless methods for weight loss that do not involve any exercise. If you've been struggling to shed those extra pounds, but find it challenging to incorporate fitness routines into your busy schedule, then this is the perfect solution for you. Our expert team has researched and compiled the most effective non-exercise-based techniques to help you achieve your weight loss goals without breaking a sweat. These methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, allowing you to slim down and feel your absolute best without stepping foot in a gym. Method 1. Mindful eating. Discover how making simple changes in your eating habits can have a significant impact on weight loss. We will provide you with practical tips on portion control, mindful meal planning, and strategies to curb those unhealthy cravings. Method 2. Metabolism boosters. Learn about natural ways to fire up your metabolism. We will explore metabolism-enhancing foods and spices that can help you burn calories more efficiently, even while at rest. These simple dietary modifications can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. Method 3. Quality sleep. Did you know that getting sufficient, quality sleep can contribute to weight loss? We will reveal the surprising connection between sleep and metabolism regulation, as well as effective techniques to improve your sleep routine for optimal weight management. Method 4. Stress reduction. Chronic stress not only affects your mental well-being but also hinders weight loss efforts. Discover various stress relief techniques and relaxation exercises that will not only help you unwind but also aid in shedding those unwanted pounds. Method 5. Smart hydration. Proper hydration is key to a healthy body and can also support weight loss. Uncover the best drinks and hydration practices to optimize your metabolism, curb hunger pangs, and flush out toxins. Make sure to watch the entire video as we delve into each of these amazing methods in detail, providing you with actionable steps to kickstart your effortless weight loss journey today. Don't let a lack of exercise deter you from achieving your desired weight. With these 5 incredible techniques, you can finally unlock the path to a healthier, fitter you. Subscribe to our channel now and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest weight loss and wellness tips.